what's up, everyone? You all know me. My name is Jonathan Edwards. I own 570 Drone and live right here in northeastern Pennsylvania. And right now I am at the historic Shawnee Cemetery in Plymouth, Pennsylvania, with a simple request. The place needs volunteers to come up here and mow and weed whack and help maintain the cemetery. There's a lot of veterans here. It would be great if we get a bunch of people up here to help maintain it. There are some sections of this place that are just getting out of control. Tom Gesso is doing an amazing job, but he's only one person. What this place needs is consistent volunteers, people who are willing to commit to coming up here once a week for 2 hours a week and kind of adopting their own little plot. Now, Tom and I have talked about this idea a lot, and he's up here. He's been working here for 12 years now. He says it's really hard to get volunteers. I told him I think I could do it. I think I could actually get some volunteers. I can get some people. And honestly, I'm trying to run a guilt trip here because I do see a lot of keyboard warriors talking about how much they want to honor veterans and how people should, respect the flag and respect America and respect our troops. But no one is up here. It's really important. It's really, really important that we actually follow through with those principles and those beliefs that we have. What I'm asking you right now is to put your money where your mouth is. Put some action behind those words. Get up here, commit to doing something to honor the troops that have fought for our country, that have fought for our freedoms. There are veterans buried here who fought for the freedom of slaves in the Civil War. There are veterans up here who fought for our independence. There are veterans buried here who have given their lives to protect us and to defend our liberty. This cemetery really needs your help. It takes a group of people to commit to coming up here on their own and taking care of their small portion, doing their small part to honor the memory of these veterans who gave their life for this country. Put your money where your mouth is. Paulette and I are doing it. We don't plan on stopping anytime soon. Can't wait to see you up here, and God bless.